Biegwa na version shows imesengurikana nebinde ebinge twakire isimi asi enamba 0700-301-301 gose 0722-347-371 301 Events, your one-stop shop for all events and equipment.
Basi bono mwanchumu ligereria unana kumanyia abori tangani nkuomera na twarenge amana baishimiwa awekire ase studio elikwene kibuna ngusanga tora mange na barabu andene ayagendete kwenekiwa kurwa ase chinsemo au ime ya siasa ayo lesikugalia otoligeretie make sure ngango tobwati ole yemo ase yemasi mitandao yetu ya Facebook na babo YouTube na Getembe TV ekarato gusanga mange amana baishimiwa awekire ase studio elikwene kibuna nkwemanyore na raliagendete kwene kiwa kurwa ase siasa ase chinsemo au na kubwa mono tobasa kweba nabo guturikira ujumbe nyenge ase na mbere gabo ase screen yago nabo igona bo ogutwakire simye yemo ase yemo ekarato igorere line yetu yesimi nabo gusangana intwe onye kubwateri bori kurwa asa bashimiwa nabo kubabolia elikwane kiuna ngokoirana libare elikwane kinga naye ngo isane koli buno mwanchu murigereria elikwane kinga 20 ingoskatore asobwamo yemo ase yemo nigo tokwenda baka asa bashimiwa elikwane kibuna ngotokwani bareri tangani elio batomanyi barabumbarabi nande abange gose abashimiwa bayigamana bayikira ase studio gaiga ngorigi bare birogo au ebyo barachigotorera asobwikirano nabo igasobwime elikwane kibuna nkubo manyetore eyemo ase yemo mushimiwa karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV. Asante sana. Nabo gukwani mwanchu murigereria umutebi na kyokuruku na kubwa mononkero gukiekerio kurigia elio kwene kinga ngo kumanyaribya.
Biya mona abantu ba minto bali moto tagererete asa marieta gongoro kwa James Atandi korwo gitutu chache North gongoriye kero kyo bocho chikure chiro chiko cha 2027 kurwa se kiama ya Jubilee na aligeti 2013 ngaligeti 2017 and I feeling aba na inchi bantebiringa nimbwene tena ndigi chikura elinde mba wakirisha no muvungobo yes
wesokiri kabisa kwa mwire ngairo ndiye yengoligyole
ngamwete pi ebante biringa ngende ngisara sali yange na bunge
oba wakilisha
chikura ngwaka male
asante sana
yes
mheshimiwa poko
Biamono moraria Kemunto.
Yes.
Wanda te ukwanya bakusiba minte simwabeta ngabwirire buya. Njesa Maria Samuel apoko. Njeno mwana wa nyaribali ande mwaso nyaribali chache. Igoro yechikura tenta etigote abanga ngero gokingorigia. Kero yo kantari ne kyo president ne kyo women rep. Ebinde byonspi abo te presidency osna na ngorigia ngonya. Ya kabere abana inji na barande bingangero kingorigia as by now. I want to tell you that ekikere birengera libyane. A change in Nyaribari Church. And then in the rescue team Egorogunga Chorio Kengo Tano Fresh.
Right, asante sana mbia mono kigima mwanchumu ligeria ntuchikurigeria mange igoro yoburai nabo igo abarai au anene bali asebirugo ngikeri babiri bagokora ngikeri bataraba bagwikirania nabo igo ntuchikuru scorecard ya barai yabo bali asebirugo eriko ene kibuna nkora tuli asebaikire anene asamagendo mushimiwa kwatabire nkurigiore ekirugo gya kitutu church no andake ingige ko kurigiye kirugo ekyo
okolige kwarige kirugo nagotebi naligeti 2013 nande ngaliye 2027 2022
oh sorry 2022
abana inchi nabo bantebire ngatandi genda otowakirishe for very few or specific reasons nambeyemo bugetutu yaito north ebintu mbiro ebinge abana inchi bafire tingamba gwakirishiri buya
yes
ekarato kuri bugetutu tubate chiwodinye omo chumboro ga kuri wodi ya Manyerero asakuru kwikuruma omo minister tubwate national government igakuru ikuruma in fact igali yango ya Chafet
okay
omo commissioner ochori otenete university no akuru ikuruma in other words senior positions johnson aichikurwa ikuruma chi wodi jichinde chiatigale yere kegogi sensi na marani ntobwati kende a question y'abantu bakuboli neye why ebintu ebiko nde familia yemo nago tabiri bali chiango bakaba chisokoro nebiroge bitabonse babwate why biko gendo so abana inchi batabire nga atandi igiye kirogo irindo to wakirishe tigabatigale no bo minister no bo commissioner babwate igiye bo bungo to wakirishe kurumate gaiga number 2 ekero na chagete kuri gikikura ina korete amagendero nare kutumia kibeshyane kuri umubuko nare mete kipara na gajite kisukuru na konyeta abana ko ende sukuru ebi bitigalete semyo y'abantu pakabona bakobori ngonyora atandi urusi kibeso umubuka gakore bintebi toise ko mwakikura na bakuto wakirisha bya finally gote ni nande narwanero mwana inchi kawaida ekerate mire kunyanyaswa ebinte nabyagariro abana inchi babuge tutu bande biri ngatandi etotagete oto wakirishe na inje na itabire ngani intagete ngoreki mba wakirishe shortcomings yo mubunge ororo nchiro chinyinge ekitura kwane ngorabuna toko endera kugamba
right asa mweshimi wapoko omugabana ko irimiro
tara
na rogo como te ya kwa meremo ko irimiro mu koranga kwa berebia
ndayete gote bia timadingi wacha rokera kwa ndo mugabana kwa ko bori atandi gore bo chumbe ndayete gote bia nga inche and they are attending should we get it very positively when I'm saying this.
Okay.
I'm a ranking member in terms of leadership and politics. I've been in the politics for quite a number of years. Nagambire not once, not twice. Na rigire kirokyo bochumba tinyorati. Na detindarosa. But na teba buyanga ki we want to rescue our people as my brother said in an area krakire tikitutu chache not. Ate kitakonya bantu kutatikana nyori entatandi ate bangiringa yada ikuri go chumba because ebi obugambi bwabeire azagoro kumanyerero ikuruma ona re dabo chenji go sensi asibotanya ko mbanya ko ngambanya kugamba linde mbanya kwa sensi njanya kugamba linde but for me ni nyaribari chache I want to speak it light ringa abagambi bagosikwa na irigo na ninte ne borongenga mochumboro nyari bari chache ni musigete as my younger brother nisigete portion ya wata as a member of parliament of nyari bari to represent the people of nyari bari chache but what people expect or what people expected from him ingeringa he has underperformed and you allow me to use that he has underperformed the expectations were so many. We average, we would have said that they have reached average. Na kigeko era some of us who have got like-minded and to what the agenda. Like me, I had a very good agenda and policy. It's only that the people of Nyariba Church never put it. One we have looked upon, on your total the Nyariba Church, we must look some other people who have got like-minded like ni bia poko tubwatirane then turushia abantu baituruche na bagushibata ngangera liro tange ndusiria abantu baituruche wale na botarigiri na kega kwa kuna na missionia omwana ominto koro kwa chari okengo nyambane ngakara to karansi nere na murigereiri na engineer gereiri chipolisi abad ne chana to chibwatirane era tokonya abantu banyali bali chache
right asante
nege kwamboli shwari kwamboli ndaita kobekera abantu baminto na atandi amanye because atandi is a great friend of mine we have known each other for more than 20 years down the line ara dinero mugaba
sure
na de nchena nyago ndaita ko very fair na abantu baminto batagera I've never prescribed to ideologies shumugaba na ajat but the other side njeno mo Kristo ngosomanda mari agote abase kitabu kia barumi 16 ekemunga kama gotumbuka ngabari noko wabasikwe bono njamon taking the right ye a direction you a Christianity and the Bible feeling singer igon komosika because the position he holds. Number 2 kene ngeyo kira limiti gotakore gas narati if we sit together nyimotebi nera ntegerere nera ntebi totegerane then doko iwana na we can work together at the same time there before na work no mugaka goro kucha mishongwae the former governor we work smooth na ndo mugaka nsigete na na wanda gata gota bakuru where I'm seated ongwabo uri kende gionsi because mugabana baruta ko bori era na rueto aiza ko bori kende gionsi kucha ion koba inje ngoba usine manager campaign manager yae igono mugaka to akone gas tukakura tugasoka na inje ngasokera ni kuona na jet kuri go chumbe a statement na be kali abantu baminto mbanye bwati tibuye. You know when I started wana atebeti mugaba na ratinga inje nanya go gwanja lakini na asomire bintu bibere ekemo ni giaba beriko ni kende ni kiaba gusiba batanga chaka mwangane mwigwana ne matati aristo na ari gukona magana na matanga. Those are the two things ni giaga tatu ngamata ibirunga ngaki mugaba no minto no teba kwale tira mabere no teba kwale merichi bara lakini ensembo bekorete ki ere taninga kurera gochi mono ngateba ingwa teba mugabana ebintu wakorire lakini rende tubwati monto goteba ng'ebintu wakorire ngegasi osenje nintebe bono isikonde ga yantebe Kemunto minto na abantu bantegera isikonda inje na narete musara because no munyagita na kabe ngaru munyagita direct na kosobo MC. I was in the payroll. I have been out for the last 3 years and a half konya gotama kia arati nero bwate ndagira ingibono rinde atangera na inje usini konyera abana na ndetini mungiti na Kemunto konyora student na inje murutereken. That was the statement. I think I've clarified.
That is what I wish. Mheshimiwa Tandi. Can we say that the sitting government has delivered to the people?
No.
Justify.
It has not delivered. Tianja akira magana housing.
Okay.
Housing. Usikuli report ya Auditor General. Ikeko tebanga 70% of units ya housing ichiaga achirwe. Ichiaga achirwe either on community land or say county government land. Yaani chitintibwati title deed. A government goes out for a particular period, that's 5 years. A government yise kogenda. A government yegocha. Gujitoligo to serious legal challenges about the ownership yechinyombechi. It is not very clear. Number 2, a kerota gete konyora a unit as a affordable housing. A kerota gete 1 bedroom house. We could deposit ya 600,000. Onyaro go tagite 2-3 bedroom. We could deposit ya 2 million. Now let me ask you. Ika say itogusi chinyomba chiaga chwa prison. We no bole serikali. Okay, ndo be deposit ya 600,000. You can Google, you can check there. Obole mo chibese jinjisa ini so chogoro bole mo. Okonyore title deed ya ore shuanga no bole mo bwao. If another government comes, ika prison, nga kyokonia a property asobole mo serikali. There are legal gaps and legal challenges chigo jakoba challenged in future. Eyo is a failure number 1. Number 2 toira namangana health. To kwa na SHA. Bono igu isako soka gochio ande nyakitari gaiga. The moment you mentioning SHA. Nyakitari chinyinge njiri ko ward meet. Ichiko ko tebinga a government that work na these millions of shillings, so we are not taking this. Even no balibale batenere tamangana ya health we sekurigeria. For example, last time umweshimiwa Dware ekera renge gochi wa parliament about the amangana ya SHA igatete ngobo ibimboro agatebanga abantu bawo netikinyagitari bakoibe kibese nabo bakumurwani. More specifically agateba na Anthony Kibagendi nabo atinyagitari. I know Anthony Kibagendi tabo atinyagitari.
True.
So Dwara kungaineli before banainjinga Kibagendi nabo atinyagita ekero musiasi akungaina on such a thing. It means there is a lot wakoraki babisete tuira namangana chisemi chisukuru chinyinge ngwara one of the newspapers today, national newspapers today, wakwana about school fees scandal. Chisukuru chinyinge chigo has a lot of levies besides the school fees. Abande ba mentire school fees almost double. Almost yes education last year na ateneta agatebanga a student mwanafunzi wanabuensi okorera matema form 4 agende sukuru oye certificate yae whether nabwate balance usitabwate balance. Let me tell you, itibo girls students ba akorete KCSE 2024 sorry, about 72 bali new certificate because of school fees arrears. Ekera wike sukuru teriko genda beyond the gateman gigia koletaga i certificate no create o communicate to office yose oseliwo. So ekero muwaziri ako make these pronouncements from office, from functions nko korale follow up o make sure ngebinte bingo korbire go happen bire. There is a lot of problems parents bako genda through. One of the schools ekorko mangu school eba mente sukuru school fees almost double. Bakamana ko introduce another charge ekorkunga excellency something excellence 15,000 per term. Ekara bible ba chaka o complain a principle yaba very clear. If you can't afford, just leave. Kenda no mwano. This is what parents are going through outside here. So those are the 3 things here this government teliko perform form. However, ekero bagotene na gukwanira abananchi ebagukwaninchira paka kwaranga they are so caring problem just being solved there, but after that there is nothing. Yani umuraya gotene no tebanga watoto wetu tutawashughulikia watasoma bila shida. Umwibole gawe ke skuru bambia otebenya watu konyara wakana kenda onyore CS education rule directive na school fees tementwa chi principle chama na kuruwa chamenta we school newspaper ya lero chi principle cha ruwa chamenta. What does that tell you? There is no follow up as a directive we kuruwa na ande mbasigeti umo CS education. Why? Because we say salancity that could make a follow up. Na koire example yitibo girls there is example from Nyaburu girls, there is another one in Kisii school. We have a list because abana bangocha bali bata tenga to achire school to agoreki to aseli ekero to make a follow up to the school okoburi principle igeko tebinga government yaro to tomira besa frani from 2018 up to today. So besa ekyo ntogo tikachisire kwari so umosiyeso nyale kama tinga pesa njana gotuma ingigekogera okungena bible ngatuma abana bo certificate bago ikorro baseli.
Right. Mheshimiwa Poko.
Yes. Biamono moraria na ande biamono as my brother James ya kwani na monta ide kota banga ki James ngwanta gonjere te yara kwani buya iruye government. That's the first thing. Number 2 jagere sa chakera amangana housing tinda za tseni buya ndaja kwanere kuruga seni currency. You excuse me about it, but let me come to education. For all the governments before Kenya Kwanza, government day anyagori kabarimu abange na Kenya Kwanza government. Kenya Kwanza government as by now ya embroidery abarimu more than 100,000. Igo abaswere batanga mugara muwe na haki yake mpe. For this one, I would have requested my brother Tandi to accept ya temira singi kabarimu. Again, the other governments chair 4. Number 2, okwane regoriyo musiasi. And you allow me to speak this one, bantumba about vended. CS Ugamba is not the only CS of CS education. During the immediate former CS, only my brother Macho, in office. Also that one happened. Na my brother, what projections you could you president wa Kenya. My brother Fred Matian. He has been a CS. Mwaka Professor Ngeri, he has been a cabinet minister. By then he did the constitution tera change ya paruku cabinet secretaries paruku ministers. We have abuna bagusingo ko barera. Oyo goro kuonyo ngata late sakari na bete minister education. Igo name them abagusi. Abantu abugo cha in terms ya performance ya college Q abana jisadwe school is not even Ogamba to be blamed. Bosi pi abuna nemiri jisadwe jire school during their time. Ondeta yo orenge yeso okonye tengerenge kerari ngo office nga directive yarenge nga mwana ogenda bo jisadwe because recently chimya ya urunjare ngo kera wa brother Matiang'i yarengo sadwe nchiarenge school. I also say that, but it never worked. It never worked. Yani Kenya na berigo. You don't blame nga wanoncha ke ko blame muchuri yasinga nga nero sinyiru ko make policy making. It has been there. Haya. Ekene naragoteba in terms of capitation, the first year in session of this government the Kenya Kwanza, it tried or clear the capitation of every term. I think the second year na real problem ya bed. But I want to confirm na umwako yo chagede abarimu bagende school bakana capitation ya tomi. Ne tamu ye na twaso ate abarimu bagende school bakana capitation ya tomi. Igo as much as we want to blame a government in atara korakende, it has tried in terms of education. Number 3, in terms of that education, this is a new curriculum. Basoa bakanyore curriculum inya etabuati bare come structures iko nto baita mono ngambara akora kende nande bare come structures chia CPC egere buenere. They have tried. Hana no mwana goteba my brother James nga omo minister no yo minto ndura bakusi abatukaransa abakusi batanga kebengi abanyene ebi at the times nto roka nga tutagete ko moita mono na to ko murwani ne na bantu bene sa simba bwata batebenga churi asigangire kuruso binde twara gita abakusi batanga mwara gita robago twachi koja kwanera ase behind the curtains tutaya kwana seredia yani TV ga abantu bose batorigiredi no nyeto kwane ke usi abantu bene sa no bakubwate gente kenando baire igona manara ko tebanga our brothers CS Ugamba has tried where he can. In terms of health, ya very blamed continuously. Nada kira abantu bagwate perception yembe. My sister, injera teri abantu aba one time as James yare barara nga kene ngo koreka kene. Inja can bear witness here. No mo keresu na mambio kare kanisa. Ekonye to mo drive one omong no yori oire to Eldoret. Kalto mo Eldoret nere ya tuakana 208. You at times is working. You cannot say completely it's not working. Recently, omogabana arati na totebiga asinara kwana nga ale asincharengo lakini shanja abakana enyagitari ya level 6. We cannot say completely nga is not working, it's not paid. Anya duaro tanta ne daga teba kibagende with that one I accept. Kibagende tanya kutwara no clinic. kibagendi provision ya teli related na mangana medics gojinjinda avatar because I'm a laboratory technologist understand yake guru ya mangana health kibagendi ere murus ono gotanta na wadwara tebetenga kibagendi na wadi nyekita but I'm saying duare na bera nyare kane government ebwate what policies but iche sinjiri chigo to kanzini ne yunje na ni ndende two term I can say with the boldness duare is not fit to be the CS of health inche na ngoteba alive but the government starting from the president means well to the people through a program yasha you only just give it time because NHIVT has been in existence for the last 20 to 30 years. SHA is only for only 2.5 years or 3. Let it give it time, structures where the interest electrified, then SHA continues to work. And I can believe SHA will be the best if the structures will be put in place nicely. It will be the best than NHIF. Lastly, I want to be realistic and say, in terms of an infrastructure, the Kenya Kwanza government has tried. It's only the representatives by two who to represent in national government. Ekinta ngosabera atandi anyore na onye tingonyora. Onye wait. Na nyariba chacho montanyoro refit, and that's why I'm saying about Okengo Joel. Na inje ngoteronga ki atandi kara abonyori. Chabe no musanyon. Musanon tolenere Kenya Kwanza tole tutam. Lakini my brother is here, what aspiration? Onye ga konyora. I would be extremely very happy. Lakini yako eraba ta agenda arie because ni na beko nyarekana atandi achoru no mochumbe oyo Kenya one time gago ikaria nyore Ruth na nero very president. Bona makuoma papa. You see that's the problem we are facing with the people of Kenya. Constitution yeito James Yominto bantu bariko nyubwati boni gano resi kona bakoranga tanga ntu babwate karwa so ire injina agambire na kingo gotebere onywe goika ogende nga tenga America goika ogende chiko kuri bintu bindi onyore other than CDF wero is automatic you will get it na injina ro sabanga ki abachumbe baitu asnaro ko ba demand for nothing kentonke yo nga waji ko sasi momonto waji ko ono ligere kituto chache note ye ese James yako lige kwende. The gentleman has tried. Let us be very realistic. Momururi otemire as we speak erora abekire chibare ramwali. Can you come to Nyaribari church? That's nothing. We have not gotten even one kilometer ya tarmac road. Go to South Mugrango. That gentleman has tried. Onyole chipara chiram. Go to kituto chache or not bomachoga chache ya Alpha Meluka. You see what is happening? Igona bachumbe baitu bali bago to represent na baba the problem. Above all, I can say the current regime of government has tried where it has can, but it's not 100%.
In your view, you are telling that the current government has tried out of 10.
Yes.
Rate them.
I can rate it to 6 over 10.
Right. Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Out of 10.
2%. Can clarify something here.
Yes.
My to Mheshimiwa Poko Musani for a long time.
Yes.
He's a very clever guy. Kera lengo MCA ga n'umuntu uri gukora na assembly ba articulate issues properly ubange bintu. Even kera ko gende ground ya ukwana n'abantu, you can see leadership in him. Eko nkumusaba turatiga mangano kengo uri yekerogo ubuchumbe. Igabu Nyaribari nduwa tumuntu urunga Dr. Birundu uri timu yaitu. Na into taito tusugume ara seli umuntu yutamaite ne poundali ya Nyaribari. Tamanyiti poundali seri tamaite binyoro na kibikorwa bintu bunebyo. Now Megosio gambo musies into what anything to kumurwane. Wakanore tax, wakanande tax, wakanare tax. Into unaba Kenya, we cannot kobaji psychophant wakira chinko bi tax to takire ekolerwe mirimo. Eto takire to bol question singa ngakie tax ye mo wakana ya kolegasi. Tuigwana ine. KCS ina akoreta 2003. during the Kibaki ekerali in power. Ekeraba waved ya mangana nga certificate moko genda moyi. I went to school na bwati if you balance ina ayati certificate yane. Okay. Because ekere directive yale kuruewa. Yale kuwa followed. Inchebweka na chitenkaiwa. Recently 2 weeks ago in Parliament, ekero mheshimiwa Migosi yale ingekoboliwa maswali about chief ibinte comment school. School fisi komentwa nechibese chiko na gusabuna principle lead of majority ichumwa nari set concern sia kabolyo musiesi nga ebinte byo gukwana ngokorole follow up kumanya ebinte bingokore kanabire umwana uminto tebirenga matiangi na lengo magwana lengo roro wono twachire musike machogu twachire Migosi. Let me tell you, engaki ya matiangi na magoa na machogu ebintu byalenge different. Ntogo isaransa Migosi aberekeru keliaru ororo tumana kuchaka kumublame. Tukire tumana kuchaka kumublame ekera achire. We talk now. Areke bishe arosie bintu elinde mambigeto elieta na napoko na liara ewekeru gekyo amanyinga bakusimba akoletaki bakolete gas. Let me ask you. Ekero kuru directive muno CS. What is wrong? Usengi gekogera chi principal, chi head teacher, kita follow your directive, chiru chi certificate yechi. Because by the time okuru eni near directive we warigere or issues chi surround tebi intebi wa very satisfied inga weka certificate chibe released. Why? Then I have an example of Nyakachi girls.
Yes.
Igewate population of 1,000 children. A principal decided kwa tebanga kero mwanafunzi agule laptop. Assuming a laptop work under 12,000 times 1,000, that's almost 120 million. Yale nke more convenient ekero kwengi cha Bible or sinone computer lab school ira kwere 20 million. Korole inki yeko ira balemba bateka advantage. Pachaka kurusichire sesa Bible kobeka church sitakiri. That is why I thought ebanga umusike Migosi he must pull up his socks agende afole ebintu. Let me tell you, madam, Bible they are suffering outside here. It's not in a one term go saying 2 terms. No. Bible they are suffering. And if they are we katokwa ninge ebintu ngokoraki ngokorubire amagendero ono yo minta kwana serikali ya kolire siatemire munanya 6.
Yes.
Inago tebiga. Lin taxi ite okoraki igutumika. Onyore parage korosiwa. We must questioning e pare ngaki yaro si standard yerega. Because it's our money. It's not automatic nga tuchake waka chinkobi. Igo omwana mintapo. Number 2 term. Politics still permanent. Lero wote bantu tamule mambingo nyo wisara sta 1 term. Ebintu ngo change bire. What we need to do, they try to defend ibintu biri abananchi babwene tokokoleru now.
Right.
Warolire. Elinda political affiliations whether in UDA usichubili munanchi ngo support Matiang'i will come late.
Right.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa Tandia Suli bado. Twarolire boniga ensi ya Kenya tukurigirira siasa. Nigo bono tubwate 1 term, tugatwara 2 term. That is tubwate broad based, tugatwara na opposition. Ekero tukurigirira side ya chibere. Side ki truly eko represent mwananchi wa kawaida.
Go kuma skororanga tuatwara broad based. Yibo no kororanga ODM ya tigire UDA ndimu. Na United Opposition yachiri nilichungwa. That is why dataka buka tegerera biya. Mwatire ne ndimu. Ndimu nendoro. United Opposition yachiri nilichungwa. That's why kwara no mabona injira nerabe kama ngana lera goteba nginjira turoche bintu bige mbiri boronge. Egurubwe yakobarede na Sifuna and Babu Wino. They're looking at the ideologies chia ODM. Inkiba standard 4. They don't believe ODM ne chikomeka agreement na UDA right? Korosi government, because Sifuna was the Secretary General. He knows what they signed, he knows what they agreed. That's why whatever no. We kato chiche to teba nanchi waitu ngana otoro DM yaito noere no ene presidential candidate ngoli gitole.
Yes.
United opposition. Again, don't na chire kolana about united opposition. Na endo mwano minto apoko. Oise kuli history. Marumune ya nyali bali. Ikanya chale nge kuli yobugambi. Umuntu naro abete planted kurwani nyanchaye. Yo sei togoro kwa sanyo. Achita kabuguri brother yanje yari koro kwa mkulima ole nginike na mkulima ole go supply chinge ni chisukuru. Mkulima gari gote no mukutano utiri no tebanga nyachaye taliyo mintu. Well, whether through or not through, that was politics. Egote mago diffuse obo magumu kusi. Inse kubuli apoko minta apoko. Insababu ki utakere matianyekura. Insababu ki utatagera umugusi ya chamo. Insababu ki utatenga na intu tikatonyo umugusi agende mesalia tugambira. Umushimi apoko. Tuake iro mogere chikura for 20 years. Atari koira. Tuabere so patient. Why is it so difficult na into watch as umano mitomati agatenga kendo ile salanse mesarura aturigiri? Because our political interests and differences, which is allowed politically.
Sure.
Right? But opposition, united opposition, the team ya Sifuna na Babu Uno, could present the common man. Na feelings and needs ya common man. Right? Yes.
Right. Mheshimiwa Apoko. Mwananchi wa kawaida ngayari represented.
The talented government. Abantu bari in office. Abantu bari in office na wako represent the common man. What my brother is telling me, jetini ko kana ngabakusimba ba. Ingi kata vera bakusimba ba amo, togende ujari twakere William Ruto kura. Turamu. Then when we go there, tubo lutunga twakwere chikura chichingania 9 to 12 hours. What's the big deal? Well, because I'm not saying Mantomba akera matiangi chikura. But also we must go with the numbers. Number 2, abantu bare united opposition. Ekero kurus matiangi ito. Abantu abande they have been in government. Paka abande bado te government mushund like Charles ni muturi. Nkiata gete ko tebi abantu atare ko tebali kare. Bona achite ekera abele serikali me basinya nile ngento bai wana nete wana soki. I think that the other person no monto ko DCP ko Rugachawa. Who's a tribalist. Yani era to komorusio. No nyande era nko igenda ako kwa. Yani dia nkoboli atandia. Yani atandi ke betenga ekero Gachawa renge a member of parliament ya Matira. Matiangina renge minister interior na jeta kamurushi nyumba kamurushi baka chianga. Akabwatu akaoleta. Yeah, he doesn't forget. He's only he's pretending. I'm telling you, Ras na monto korgo Karunzo. He has been to Telanki of vice president. Inki arego mate enkora enchande Ruto as much as Yavanta Bangro Mangere. So what have you taken? Karunzo has been the vice president. No Koroshi Pareko and the boy. Still as we speak of Morom. Nani Ebus. What type of leadership do you want from Karunzo? And what am I saying? United opposition, you get it from me and take it to the bank. If Matiang is in united opposition, Varena Karunzo, Varena Riga, Tigasawa, Vava, Chas and Mudruava, Eugene Wamarwa, the flag bearer cannot be Matiang.
And why do you feel so?
You can see. You can see. When people sit around, and when you are talking about politics goes according to numbers. That's the first question which
you go from where you are seated, Mheshimiwa.
Where I'm seated, and let me speak loudly. Let me speak loudly. In united opposition, the flag bearer attackwa Mwanuminto Matiangi will be somebody else. But Matiangi, Jenimo Savetamaya, Rolialani as an individual, as a Jubilee candidate. Are you seeing that? But when you united opposition, forget it. And the other thing I want to teach here, my brother, na nyole wana atandi no makasindi. ekerate banga korete matemu 2003 yonde te como te biga así senior rigati gashawe kina kerikio kwaro jikiaring last week geko genderega abajaji bari don't think that the Ruto is very stupid. It's not. Regete tigari the ruling era aichi ngote were ngari gacharwa agaruse to office illegally. One ko wale cleared ko bori kero kende yons, and I can tell you for free where I'm seated here. The gati gachagwa nako ba cleared tari go tigero it will stand over president wa Kenya. Where are the chances chanyacha yani chiamatia? Where are the chances? Yes, nata kirabo uri president. Tingo kana completely. But rende ambori nginta mwagera tingo mwagera kura. Drochinendi nata bya kene. Iwongu wake se kurego ego etaye. Moto tayo ko Ruto tata chikure chigocha. K.
Etaye pi.
That's the truth I want to tell you. Momurori timoko momurori bantu baye bako mubwa.
You are standing tall gotebanga. Matiangi?
Matiangi tigara ni president.
Yes.
But from where I'm sitting, gakurana as individual na kuru Jubilee ele. The same way which happened in 2002, ekaranya cha araneti for president. Echa gusi chirojo. Ekikero kinta yete koteba. Usi na kolege kone. Usi. Okolani for president, whether he's going to win or not. Usi arona asali. Chances are nga ebintu biturubana in groups wesa boka kale ekerebe onye nkoju koriye kero no nyiwe biturubana lakini he cannot go beyond Kusi.
Yes, wano minto poko te obodi ringa ekero ko president ye komata inkyokola to the table wano minta poko Raila na bwate numbers agambiti kabira teyo Kenya era agambe yoka. We come together to bring other tribes to isaransa, to make agreement, to aligichikura. Eke intikate banga gachawa na bara be clear darani. United Oppositions knows very well that if they run separately, Ruth will be back Samiri Asubui. They know. And they will never try that. Gachawa obeirobis, Karonso obeirobis, and they know ngabaise kobeko yo mobo is a walkover for Ruto. One of minto tiango tebega. Matiangi ne ro which be presidential candidate your United Opposition.
He will not.
Ege into kiagera na kwana boyo. Na harudu manu minta poko kwana confidently. Inga moba isa uchiesa na Ruto. And that is the reason why ekeroko genda mashinani okwe bolinga hatred ya achire towards the government all of a sudden is unexplained in yikurwa because they think they know, and if you correct them you are a fool. Bago ko insult
ongo insult diga
go taliga Sifuna na kwa neta a few things the other day. Karawaringi Western rero enegwa kama tevinga kirindoko. You know, when we compete in politics, right? It's not a must thing ago manyete mono kobwa poko ko sapoko ga manyete mono kombua. But we look at the interests chia country ne chia Kenya. Let me ask you manu mintapoko. Nkwara recently eserekali ekoni ki passport ise amachangiri ya kuru Sudan. Bakoni ki passport bako abantu batali aba Kenya. You saw it. The government went silent. Nchana kukwana about that thing. Opo ibi bakuru government ebole quoted in a way otanyale kuchikome kilio eita bibiri turusha turuchipara or through other things. And let me tell you, madam.
Yes.
Usiga onyo no mwana yo pinta poko rali Ruto chikura abantu barayenda bategera ko chikiyobora batebe boko nato gambere to biya tiato moya ababande batendinga ka Ruto chikura ba ko tegerero osoro tago ko konyo nyatul mugirango tago konyo nyatul mugirango Iga ko jase to buke tu kwana for 1 hour. Ominyoka ochigosera bugirango. Omuntu nari mubwato mubungero guruga iga mu Yemen. Ekero gotene na wacha ku Rwanda utsichiri bweli. Ngakiora ari donors bacho kubekera na mache constituency na nyari bali. Ngakiora convince donors bacho kubekera mache. So abantu bunaba ekero gotene na ngabona tutagete mwake Ruth chikura already abantu babiri. Singenje bindoko ogokora imba konyara kokonya Ruth campaign kurugusi. Lakini tenga batali apoko okolete gasi ayura ati nabantu mutaye muntu utali mubi mbuya gambete gatebe to buchumbe tanyora na ndoche mbuya gukwana lakini umwindi uri atenene abantu barakane no ano ukwana tarakwana bakanire iko mwana uminto apoko omugusi twisanire kugamba Kenya ekero twensi turachamo tubwate sio musike matiangi into ganyanga tia turaganya we ticket tumano kumubwate si etoko mubwate si bano chikabire chinde chirorenga abantu abanga mubare tiga tubwate sio mwana yo matiangi. And let me tell you mwana minto, you can agree with me nkwa kwananga matiangi na jita kabwata kachagwa ngagachagu takweba enago tebiga lero na butokurwa na isikari mambi tumirane naye twabirane tutebe because of the interest yitune mangane community n'abantu tokura tiga twabirane ibindi mwabirane erinde murigererie bigger picture ye country igona kingo tebe umwana uminto iga tiga tutige kukwana umurayo itu kurkumatiangi bobe nanda mangana yo gendo tebi yosuru otebi chafet mbako tenene kutano bamana gotebi abantu ngamo gotebi mbwati omuntu oyo bakoruka matiangi omuntu kendo bakani nyore mpata geti matiangi bakona bintu bya hebaki lakini omanye tena boko minyoke finally ura nesi ominyoko ira nesi nabongo chaka gukurama abona mo agetu no mwana minta tumira na mambi etaunia na ekero nkuri round omuntu rangonye ningo nai iguko ikatwa atwari frame yake korore njira toko mangene community njira toko nyabeka ntu expose mono na ande to tumeke kwerwa ni ntu abanye.
Right. Asante sana. Mheshimiwa hapo.
My sister egana rero tabia tandinga ondetayo okorwani matiangi. Fred is our brother here. No mausi yangu aneke usiwa ndotige ya songo ntonya gokwanira abantu bande bali. No mumurumi ntono anyo nyasa yani litangani okuriye gento ne passion yekuruso mubero. Onye passion ya matabe kuruso mubero enga ata itekuriyo president. Inchena poko I wish him well. That's number 1. Number 2, egento yoka no gotamobwatesi. Iko mwanda nga mbe with a lot of fairness. Yes. Neri chikurito ya Kenya elieta kero monto a democratic like obosibole bokoba asatagete. Toko mbete limbo musani buatandi onye manyi kana takora diki tanji. Lakini amasikani yaro ikato toenane. Inje nda kurwa inje tayo asayura nyole nkora matia. Asetayonda tenen nkora matia. Believe me not. But na David, I wish him well. The only thing I cannot support him. 2. Inche atande tari gonto manji ko tebio so usichabeti. Soro no machumbo South Mugrang na no mwana usita.
Yes.
Dayale atandi na kwana egendiki amuke igo motebi. Chabeti the same. Ekende nara ko teban kiringa ntagete motebi burunge. Oyo tegere iri esimatiangi yale meeting ya United Opposition asikaron saka tebanga sisi kama viongozi wa upinzani tumeelewana ama tutaelewana na wote watani support him kilipo ginta nyore lakini agurikete to anda archives na utokonya okay ere karonso and again you look at siasa ya Gachagua utige kana tebanga nganko bali cleared. It is more Rigathi is more inclined to Kalonzo than the other candidates ya wande to whatever in Kurusu Matiang'i. I think the only person na lero nategera over very clear kira kwana nesimi no the former president. So a great friend of mine yokurunga His Excellency Uruke. Akwana nesimi otebanga kira rigireti muntu gwe kora konya Kenya Matiang'i ere na akwana nesimi akwanira abantu bari aba ba Kenya kwanza babegeti cyanga chimbaliriye jinare mwari giti chimbe sana ikigo sari ebiri mwari kuriye kare ngaho. Oh no. Era na akwana. But naande kende when you look at things no muntu ne naro rio koranga nacha koba nere naro na tembe urari. Naro na Peter Munya. But believe me, United Opposition kobamo pi to the end ngaron so kobe frag bell. If the best Matiang'i no running mate, the best. That's what I'm saying in general, the best. But there's another option here now. As Matiang'i run presidency anyway, as a Jubilee party, and not to coalition chinde because Peter Munya na the party, na tembea na with na state party and the rest. Are you seeing that? And I'm saying, as a Kenya bono tocha kwa na mutu, chikande cho president chita etani sana. Previously we have been having so many. Na mo base kwanda leti mga kamaraga. Nere na bwate chai. Igo as much as mo murigereti atandio mintonga abantu ba Kenya kwanza baraba gusina apo kaleme abo sorabo na kwa batabirende barabutika batike baone polisia. Nande tianga ta into kero kwa tabira kana kero ngoko badisi. Abantu baito ba Kenya kwanza. Because of their arrogance, because of their greediness, ananje tiganga kwana kuruga mbari go nabaro neba bera bokon kutware platform yoko nyumo mo president yoko. But people like us who are in the street here, who are open enough chinkoroje tuchisibogete nabotoko kwana open to tebe ndo mitungaki to bwadi siruto nje nabotoro chinga nane nkuirare chikurechi atandi agotegerere nonye tari go chikugura e polisi yo. Lakini ababande barabo mbanyore problem none kera gucaga gukwana iga atari kwa guri bagakore inki kiagera ke muntu mintu banta abano bar office e bare bare giri. Can I tell you atandio mintu na mosabe but then abro stop nga tindaro seni gochiama tukatika na makeke negro. I was to be given a board na ndi kina kingo ko rangere senga ingirende mbere to onya nari nitu ase Alice Waume kera chorti minister ya water akanga kera. Do you know Alice Waume became a friend kara to about the direction ya Bonjari because this you na rie chagret to kabeko timu ya mana ronge timu leto to kamanya waka ile namba yana when I had to agataka ange board ya water sources authority. She called me herself agama gonte ngano mai to mochumbo kama tebie more in terms elipaita ni ntua ntonyantora igwana na saili nando yonde ti mention eka tinta itinyere ten era gante ngama tebie no musani one lakini tinko manyanga kyarate. You know when he asked them nakaba matete wachana na yo mtu.
Yes.
Njetanga Kemunto ndegasi tanga no kerongo konyora nsikango ko yande no ne mix igo kero kieki agree with you atande nonye no yo se itunyari bari mochumbe nonyo go sera banteri wiri no whatever asta yawe chogo now awoni a president but apoka can stand iga na ndengo ni policy ya Ruto whether people buy or not but they will listen to listen
Right.
because again take mananjira na atande nga kyogo sera banteri wiri na renage kwane ta last time
Sure.
ase pare wata mariba abu no robereti abantu ogo sereri wiribu omakwira no to tebinga nkole tole bintu ko national government because Kenya besides budget allocations ebintu bya konyere other parts of this country donors.
Yes.
E donerigere monta go sero monto chiribu eribu omako moendo matenga konye chibesa njikoro siri pare riramu otaka kubori. Why don't you convert the chiribu ejo kwa abantu chibe chiro siri pare, which means bari ba portraying aba Kenya we are very very rich.
Right.
Bona madam Kemunto.
Yes.
Wano mwinta poko. Ike ntongere tu agriri na haye kemo. Na ende onyoro wake sabu mapema. Otiga bamuraba kono ko babwati utanga ngarole. Bali mbago takwete, mbago takwae gugentu, even going forward mbago takonyore kindi onyore gutagete kora siasa ya haye bweka uriye bintu bya bweka una kwarigeti musiko huru na muumire tari Nairobi sikisiti airu kibese nebuni abwate kibese nebuniga arule state house omurga tadiga itura isara sa tulie
badiere nane moborire na mwete
ngoma taito
ngono mongitinde
ngoma taito so gasangia poka ko barira kurwe mesa garo igoro muto mungaini yoka aba muraba boko ba avoid ekegera na bago sekanaye twali bago
nabo ekine kene I agree with you
and that's a problem to aterenga busiga mbarigo chikonyare poke tutu chache north candidates bawo chikotenena na Jubilee itole 12 and these 12 candidates we are going to agree go isalansa tole no musike matiangi tone scientific way yogo determine ngo chikonyore ticket whatever chikonyore ticket ya babande mbarigo tama onyore mbarigo tama including
onyatari yoko eguna todi gochigota
ndi gotama onyore muri gotama these 12 candidates etogo chikobagana chi polling station ukolinda chikura tomana korora na ichikura cha Ruth chiripoke tutuno
right
what I was saying as president cha tandi bianya sama konye chikiranere ngenjei but what I'm saying ekero chikucho kachikura endugu ya na tandi biango sabira nayo tokobe candidate ya Jubilee injera teri owo chikotobera korenda chikura chamati yanyotige chao much of your time no korenda chikura chao osanago muchumbo kitutu chache not igonjera teri that's number 1 number 2 no monto ire chikura hakyo mwana mindu ntato versensia na ande mombo atabia na bagusibanta gerere njetimbo atseginda ruan mate and I would not again to go kanata bankiringa injetini ko support injengo support William Ruto for second term. Reason being the younger reason. 1 inche personal reasons. Na da bantu mbambo weekend personal reasons. Ekana so era tu kina ngana ramire president the former president ulinge the current president during that time.
Kwa moramete ngonyole nya.
Aina ya otiga. Ekana iru kotin ngagambirwe kina tandio mintondo mo MCA first term koru 2014 paka 2014 paka 2016 ntari kurara ngogende court each and every month it came a coincidence utakataka goche constituency yetu nanda gache ward yetu uchanga otire gocha ekanisa nere kurunya byoto catholic rosiri ngiya sana mbaliri gari ba when former MP and angeredi gorukutongia antebi tutagete torete deputy president by then deputy president yale tomalete and they cancelled to come David I have no problem I went to Nairobi to grand office here he accepted he came ngaguri baga no mo MCA ngakwana I spoke paka Ruta kanda ngiringa inchugocha na manyete there before because ninja narenge ULP coordinator kiracha agete ULP ga lakini ndebo siasa yenere tukasira niyo akainyura antebi inki kiri gwataka gukwana ngarena nande back to the mic kama debi your excellency nimba the problem ya njande sana problem bwate neringa nsoereringa nara with the president and I've been in court for the last 3 years bona wanataka osino konye nyore president yonyere na mura mete musaba mabera and he listened he called me to his office the following week I went to his office akanteka nkamwa narrative of that ye kwende then he listened akangira back as a president we spoke with the president and I am happy jena tindiko nyomaru but at times abantu abakunyo marumbu ngo bakwabera because a president listened nani kamatabi Mr. President the gap between an MC and the president is very big there is no way I think we can go into loggerheads with you. If I spoke out of context and he accepted to kabera nayo wana ngoro chogera na beru ositu aberana no the current president that's the first reason because ikina kelina areko bu ona areko kusimu kende ya kabere injina to les various problem chire personal ngumwa geresi myobwata actually Ruto gatari kubate simi bono iga because yamangana igwate baba murabande bako na bamutebi na poko nini and actually egenta abantu bangecherete and I want to be very fair na bono iga inkeringa eri nonyende tutam na amugaka machugu na twara aspiration chugo bori bogabana na mutwara sana na monsa you know it killed me completely nanje ngagarasungaranga sense nero that's why nero ngire tengora usekende ngeto kende ke goto kalende ona tandi naye kwa kenyori ko itrasin but the bottom line I want to say inkeringa abantu bamintas we move forward. Politics, I repeat here, politics are about numbers. Nabo morochi abantu bamento in cruise watandi na abandi warona morochi ngaruto tabati kura. But I'm telling you, you will be surprised when time comes nekero chukura chakre. And I want to go on to record my brother Tandi kobuomo muroria is not very easy. It is not easy, but for me, it remains, you must win.
Biamana sana umweshimiwa na biamana sana mwanchumu ligereria oturigeretie ogendete kutubwatie masemo asengambo ya Getembe 0707 namba yetu ya studio iyuregabu as screen yawo 0726447367 nero namba yetu nabo guturikira ujumbe na kubwa munura bo gukwana na into yemo aseyemo ekero togendete gusanga nabayishimiwa nabo igo ndochi nabangi babaire bagutubwatia sensemo ye mitandao ninga ninyetere chi comment ibere isatu nyuma tutaragendera. Frederick Ogembo agotebanga hapo sasa kitutu cha North ni one term omanya kurwatebanga one term siku zote hata useme nini mtu yeyote ako against Matiang'i huyo ni one term ebyo ni birengereri byaye. Edward Mageto agoteba I like the way Honorable Atandi is aligning his statements. Those are just facts. We need such like leaders who fear nothing but stand for the facts. Ebyo ni birengereri byaye. Rogers Nyariki comment nira ya Rogers Nyariki egoenda ase umwishimiwa poko agotabanga ere akurukunga Rogers Nyariki kurwachinse moja Amsterdam Netherlands watching live. Honorable Poko is always double speaking. Let him stop using the Bible in a wrong way. Honorable Poko is an elder who is supposed to have the interest of Omogusi community. Which cow are they milking? And yet the SGR station at Ikonge, no documents from the Kenya Railway authorities showing okay, otebirenga Omogusi nao wamechoka na uongo from elders. Alright, ebyo nebirengereri byaye Rogers Nyariki. Right, Kefa onsonga goteba keep up with the woodwork from Lanet watching live kuruchinse mochiri chia Nakuru. Asante sana watching live kuruchinse mochiri chia Nairobi. Alright, tell my cousin Atandi to stand strong so that to rescue people of Kitutu Chache North. Alright, ebengere byago bigule mweshimiwa. Okay, agotaba is watching live, keep going. Asante sana. Oyonera agotebanga boy child ako watch kuruchinsa mochiri cha bonchali. Asante. 0726447367 nabo gokwana na into yemo aseyemo mweshimiwa nabo mukunganchira mbate esimye ya mugusibire ekero togendrete. Getembe TV. Aro Getembe. Getembe TV, hello. Yes. Right. Yes. Right. Asante sana ebyo nebirengereri byaye mwishimiwa wapo kukoranga
kiata batinyiwe nata
toiwebi ate banga Matiang'i nere amangana go bwate oirangora kulinde nebirengereri byaye. Getembe TV. Yes. Ubairebia. Oyo ningo na ndinga yo kwana kuru.
Ekeri oyi nana.
Okay. Right, asante sana ebyo nebirengereri byaje. Egento one time. Getembe TV. Yes. Right. Asante sana ebyo nebirengereri byaye egati yebirengererio ebyo bitokonyora kurwase omwanchu murigererio turigerete sikugali korende ntokendere kubwata kisimi ekero togenderete iga eliko ene kinga naye omwanchu murigereria ntori kugotiga siko ngogendera uri gusanga ebirengereri byao now mushimi watandi digaturaleta siasa echinka toirane asiriro bali agusi twarorire mostly concern sinchironga there is shifting of political loyalty anene abarai bali baga supportiri government bataga supportiri government onigani go bago support government. Number 2 twarorire omugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati concerns chaberenga tari go support Matiang'i bono liswali naneneri ntotebenga eye political maturity osene betrayal uchasomo gusi
buya mono ntarera nirigente kyo.
Yes.
Igento ngiro mwana minta poka kwana about garachagete ko ni musike machogu iga ikase gitagate unga genda ngora usaga salia mwana minta poko abasani bali bawo bali bangete machogu ba kogo kanga usupport machogu kuri na barabu. I think abona bawe kiritira kininta getomanya iga machogu no yomino umunyali bali yomino ntoko bwate si machogu chikura onyori no abanyali bali mokumurwani na mbaibere bamurabu mbago chaka gutishira ngakaruga abuto bwate si uyu ekira mbaka bono mparago konya abantu bakonyire bagutara kyo bisi kibayirenga gusene body yarali n'abantu bandi nabo barenge mabarenge kutara bakuriye ibintu bali aba science abakora bakona bakomiga umuntu bunayota maiti bitina nobokora tokoegwa iguguika urgereria abamuraba gosoba feso doni batebinga nyore kyane enkeliga tigensuke gucha clarify genteka mutotaragenda se magana ikwambulia musikapo kuno mwana siasa nama ite analyze politics yae mwana nje ndanya analyze but I wanted to tell you abantu baitu bagusi musike Matiang'i nero wechikonyora wechikobe candidate ya opposition the presidential candidate. Okay. I'm speaking ibintu manyete ninjire ibintu bikogambwa no ninjira abana abakenya boka no nkuru Mount Kenya bakoraki bagokwana now ekwabo ligo se abarayi bali gusi bataga support the government now bago support the government.
Yes.
Politics is about interest.
Sure.
And sometimes ekero personal interest sometimes you override interest chaba inchi na bachiko ko make a decision gete a factor ya kabere abantu mbali batana ko ba outside government musika pokate karubo nyagitali yabwate payslip akacha sobo MCA wone miake tatu ga committing ekengieke tamine tibintu bigendrete. So those are the factors abantu mbali naturally go say politically banalete koba ase serikali political petrol gegocha ekero guchaka kurama ulio mino kumukani nga tuisaini kuli ubo president that's political petrol now ekero guchaka komongoranga aye mugusitara isana kugamba let me ask you umuntu aje se ino Kemunto amana ko tengo maite tato mino tali muntu ise ino kubagambiraga togere uchi muina nchi maite ngakinko kole kurene tato mino naba munarabe tato mino mamu mino naba munarabe mamu ekero togo chabuno mugusi for the last 20 years twakiru mogere chikura omogere ne roli kwa ndo tukwanira. We have never had anybody. Nyasaye bwanchire twanyorira umuntu na intwe okogenda chiko tukwanira. And then I make this thing very clear. I'm not supporting Matiangi just because Arumogusi. I'm supporting Matiangi because he's a performer. Ekeronguli track record ya ego chigasi ya ebuna arego kora. Na hande karunku muri ringa ranyore kerugi kinkiara akore. I believe Matiangi na akore gasi. Matiangi is not one person who can say so we sing abaruiri mbabuga tiendagira Kenyatta National Hospital aisara sacha ke ko complain ku office. Igako gendo ra find out what is happening. We believe no muntu rakole. So political betrayal igegocha ekartu gocha ka collective notion inga Matiangi te isa ni keranga mugusitara isa no kugamba. That is wrong. Inokuramo mugusi. Lakini gotwara different divergent views about politics. Aso weneto support your muntu target because we go suguma to sibichi ngolinga njwa no support your muntu target respectively. Na hendo siko yonde opinion chiabonga eregochia. Gokora iga into kia betrayal.
Yes.
Target ngotabi Kemunto. Ondo tali na Matiangi gusi 2027 inkasa 12 ma
sawa
ikomi na ibere ngaguchi no nyo poko mido tuli ko bungo nya tuli nere inka ikomi na ibere iyo ko liga Ruth chikura agenda ko ekindi
pia again that answer umaita atadi do Swahili so kwa mbo buya ngaki is there betrayal especially na bono mugabano itokisi county Simbarati osinyiru kwa erasa nga osea tago itara round nga petrol yegocha teba borunga ki osea because Simbarati tanya kwa government
sure
he has been a councillor through opposition agarwa kama MP opposition two term auchiro mugabana are opposition oyo bwangire goteba it is not better. Let me tell you Simbatari petrol yakolete when he is saying two term.
Okay.
Number one, politics so about your interest in that. Interest yaye nena nata kitabe two term. There's a big problem. No yana tani ere tigamu abe. Na bona bachumbe bale ibe. Ekera ko teba nge president ebe one term era ta kitabe two term mo nena one term. Kire kwa ni gintu kwara manya the impact of it. Anomo kwa ba so mitata. Dibaga no mosani one agizairo no mosani one osero no mosani one obadia no mosani one obiri no mosani one Charles Onyanja no mosani one. When you are saying atandi minta yore buya because ya yote ketoso go ikoba te one time oda ro igoro one time ojo chumbe wa kito chaje oda te bichabe one time because oda ketoso bueno abachumba abande bagoteba atagete rutabe one time. When you wait, just so jumbera that two tab. That is contradicting two issues. When you wait, you got it. You got the two tab, and two tab. That is one point because politics is all about your interest. Number two, the current governance here Kenya never reach never reach loyalty. Nkogerere bintu binde byacha.
Sure.
Bueno, arati ga focus biyenga ki ninte getengene second term. Na atemire sinari kunyara gukora ibintu byane. Whichever level abantu bamubekire ose percentage wato bori 10 something out of 10. But ibintu binde na mbire ntakore from resources che county. Kidiako was the CEO of the county. Ona keko raso ete government. Atake ibintu binde. Bona tigandu example. Na bona industrial park ya Kisii ekorosi wari machoge wodi kurubo kimonge yashira kwera ego yashite kwera because of royalty yae towards the current government and also the president kende gya kabere egeti ye stadi munge chekara wasu president ya debo inchiare gocha beseji onya Simbata betroyo to the president and to the current government nemuta. Number 2 egeti gya kende gechinde omuntu ndanta gotenga tianga te injena nya koba na arati lakini omuntu tiamuruke no mokare sindi ta monto ta chisina ka monto kali tiganga rukerie teri arati no mokongpi arati no mokong ogoso akwa yaria bintu binde mbia abachumbe meokonya bari Ruth has been coming here oteba gento ketenko bakere na data ndio minto twaganya ngekora batina gesara atia so akiti atotebe ken mugara muwe na haki yake mpe bona you can see it kaga sign are you seeing that ekende na goteba okorigeri guti examples ndebe nyari batara ba openly abantu kuje goteba balinga amos nyari umugabano Nyamira nera na ale tuta prakintariko is not open ai bana rokaneri president yache tanga geti ende kia tata tu kerosu nduwana ngai industrial park ya Nyamira yere gasironga twese no to weta tandio minto mwana minto ke muntu na engora taro no moraria uchi yanya kusuka igo royalty ya Simba igo ya is not petrol iyo ya chiete ya sivitigo chiese the current government to the president egere bintu bibere bitatu bikorek and we can bear witnessing bia machi na bono cancer center onye tari Simba atagenda because LT is devolved atagenda ku support government tange cancer center atagenda to be very sincere and honest nga o shift wa politics wa Simba arati iga a pledge royalty bintu binde bikoreke is not petrol na gotatige ndo taite goteba ndaite kuburia atandio nyuma etaba tinamanya arati arako bana barutwara reasons why ago support tutam but nende njina arakere sirike mwanya bantu ngaki togote one time nsa utagete tutam tigebe uniform na yebono okonye gate one time guru ogocho bochumbe one time ya garota gete chabe jende bona abachumba bande na abana irora na ne mutem ngakira tebe one time guru nsa utagete tutam mutana engwa one time kocho ko banyora kera mokumera no mokutano jubiri batebe ngente kemonya bataba one time na inu one time ngoga na more finally it's not him only it's not even him umugabano ito even there's the other members of parliament and over swift royalty because batagete bintu bikorek oyo moba manduku he was in opposition so no dm mocholet
yes
or president reality because he sees kene nare gokorera my brother kero ntagete kwagiri chikura matiangi nyoko presidential candidate na ile chikura chausi osina ile chikura tigatotebe lakini inje nindigeri rutonke inke echingo nyara ne kapasiana akini nge guchibesa ngane chikura nkorige chirojonya nyari bajaja nimba koli nande nyamonko babwa echobo president batiga abantu ababanda abatwate babakonya kwerimeria onya ni muntu ngapo konunde tokoriye rutanto nyari chikura lakini goche birogo binde atandio minto abantu mbacho bono tiandara kuburi swali eri egere atandiera neri because yore na matiangi ni yorari insa igo tokobe konde bwensi no eno yotasu ke koru chikoni mwangina nga because yare na matiangi nga bona erabe kubo chumbe igo atandi kwarko banga tori esa chubiri no bwate policy singi yega chilasu kya abantu bakitutu chache no tigo chituta next level otigwe Kemunto no ara ota no bora tanyare goche chagera abantu bari ngera bekwe nga because ya support matiangi no ebiroge bimbichoru akoni ne capacity yo monto osanasuke a community to the next level
buya mono tianda iraneria mangano mwana mita pokat kwana apokate banga tani no moswali gebacha manye to mheshimiwa poko na bago chomo kutano one time asome bibilia bunerda kero monta ire nkoro sategera poko na ndamu akiri chinkopi amotebi anda atero gotera gago kora ba akangena komorembe no bomo tinge budget ego na ba clear iga onde bwensi ugo support government ini right ya go support government
sure
ndo go chaga kora momonto he has reasons waro no musika poka kolireki yes what I'm saying igira bebobe ekirora chake kura mabara ibana bakuri chikura ikiegara na baseino uchake gotanga mugusita isaini uchake go discourage abantu moyo takoira kura let me tell you musika poko you never know mangana nyasaye na mangi na yangi nuriye kirugeki no gotenga buko takuri
no
enga kiyo goja kuriya abantu mbayinyore ng'apuku uria kera nyare buminta kitinga ya pukare ebintu ebite will come back kogenda bire byaba in history now ekenteke umusika pukare isiringa kero umuntu ngasenge njago kwana matiangi ngagochi ago chigoeta. I agree with you mwana minto abantu mbali muna kurubuge tutu se Italia ogo sangiere ne kenyoro imari tabu atie na idea tabu atie ni vision ere kugijando mukuta natebenga nonde na matiangi abantu bake chinkobi no Nairobi tana go chiara ikali ambassador urubi koroto tama itibunga asiri kama ene go kusika poko ego quality the kind of candidate which collector nere which could determine the kind of leadership to which go twara nebi into na biro bito correct. That's why I said to go twara scientific way yo kuligelinga which cover a candidate yo kole kwerende again te kuwante ngaba kungemba bago kwana igoro one term insaba kwana
etakete two term
mwana minto tiango tebi tianda ko kesi kia musiki kibagendi utenire na matiangi all through no matiangi ache to tenire gocha and largely we se ko gende ground we very honest tegera abantu ngi batagete they will tell you about to tagete igorali urwo of one time abantu baba go tebi. That is why I watch it that way.
Okay.
Na ande kitu tuchache south. I want to be very honest with you. Kitu ja south. Musiki kibagendi. Again, estia banta baba mole na bubono. Again, tongera na kote mwana minta poko. Na no musani ngo kote bibo maene. Na yura lege tu chiko. Abantu bali mole na bwali mbako lirutuko. Nigirudi abako pinga kibagendi. Mbako nyora kura matega. Na ruguru gabo abu seino birundu ngo banyorosale
yaya
birundu ko banyorosale
abamura nabange baraya yango tebi amura nabange bari nyari bari nago tebi yo chweri no ara nando mwana gwate nkole ndabuse
kete chweri ni tutamwale
yaya njetin ko manyo tutam ne rabwe kuracha gwetebe
ne racha guko
lakini amura bararia into emission tubwate ne yo gutuma the current member of parliament ginka.
Thank you very much.
Right.
We support you. So what I'm saying, the kind of individuals toko burai. Abanyali bali aba bakite bakalile bakaranga ntokoleta bokenyumba ntokoleta kende tigato mu indio. Oba mesiri. They are crying. But they will do all it takes to make sure ochire. Na abantu baita moto tegerete gusi abarayi barimo gochi gwakirekura ligelingo murayo yo no muntu bwate enkoro ye community nando ubwate policies kira abakonye. Yes.
All right, Mheshimiwa Tandi Kerongo Tigarasole, from where you are seated, can you say nga Oboraiwe County ya Kisii ku represent buri mwananchi wa kawaida?
I want to Getembe very honest.
Yes.
Madam. Again, tonkerigi happened iga ekarmati anyale gocha iga with unit opposition. We saw a lot of wounds. Bagweta no ni gali Kisii Polytechnic gali abana baro bakuruta banta magina. You cannot say that represents a common man.
Okay.
Or a common person. You cannot say so. What we want to see nekero tolerate divergent views na political affiliations. I'm saying this, tiange kwane very clearly.
Yes.
Kisii County, there is a problem. And I didn't want to say this because kwambolia tigankwane abantu mbale ba rorirenge problem ya uboke bago bwa very Kisii County. Bachire ba enlist services chia private investigators otema komanya the magnitude and who are involved in this.
Yes.
A constituency mune ya Bogetutu Chache North, we have 300 youths. Bale payroll ba waka ni chibese bale raikiri which go cause problems. the coming general elections.
Yes.
Not only in Kitutu Church, but across the county. Such acts of violence, maybe into a report you, ya to enable Korea to Amanyira Ningo, we will put measures to go counter such a things. Such actions and such a leadership, they could represent at all the interest of the common man in this county.
Right. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Poko, utaniruhusu kidogo na raligiriri views chomu ligiriri ulisikogali, then I'll get back to you. Ekirongurigiriri ase SMS ndo chenga na abantu abange bagendete kubwatia na bego na abange bagendete gutuma chujumbe chabo. SMS ekirongurigiriri, all those development come to pin down Matiang'i, but we are more keen, right? Yutatebetingo kulende orulebirengereri byaye naro watebanga, let everyone be free and stand firm, because 2027 will not look at one or two term but as individuals. Nereta tebetingo kulende ebirengereri bya sana. Hello, ni Omengo Polycarp, natamani sana kuingia politics. Okay, in as much as Ruto is doing some great things, he must look into other sectors which is brought about poor selection of cabinet secretaries. All right, ebinebengereri bya Polycarp. Nara watebanga Mheshimiwa Poko, it's time to run out of that two-term thing. Today, a new chair was appointed in Kisii National Polytechnic. Why didn't they appoint? All right. And the more you stay, the more you fade politically. Oyakurukunga Senator Gekone, oyo nebirengereri byaye kurende aina yaye. Oyo no mugirango korwa Kiumbu, I support Honorable Poko. Kwa Matiang'i hapana, cause it depends in numbers. Iyo nayo ni ukweli. Matiang'i hana kabisa, akona 600,000 voters peke. Okay, ebyo nebirengereri byaye. Mheshimiwa Poko is speaking double standards. You used knowledge of the Bible to prosecute Umunyaribari Church. At one time you okay. Okoreka gotabanga Jubilee na Matiang'i tosha. Otebirenga ere one term. Ebyo nebirengereri byaye. Omerega gotebaga ibirengereri byaye ere one term. Kulende oyo uganiti gukwara 0726447367 nero inamba yetu yesimu briefly inyuma tutaragendera n'Engambo ya Getembe ekero nakikubugori kisimi isato choka eriko enekinga ngosangane naye ebirengereri byago. Getembe TV. Getembe. Wairevia.
Aboko.
Yes.
Aboko. Naende. Ndo watu wa mzee oileta kikura kuigare. Alikuwa support jajae.
Okay.
Tabu hata kendi yangu alikuwa almost tu alikuwa lakini hata abantu wa magari kikura wameleta akaira kikura kwa nyachae ake karamu. Igwa na woko yeye ndio kumutanga nenda yae. Yaye ndumo ya ndio.
Right, ebyo nebirengereri byaye ekero agotebanga amangana ye. Getembe TV. Getembe TV. Yes, thank you, Baba. Koranchumanchumu rigereria kugwakire simi na bogoke ya eriogirie TV osere diago eriko enekinga nko igwana tole asenchira yoboikira no Getembe TV. Hello Getembe.
Hello Getembe.
Yes.
Alex. Mogetutu.
Yes.
Entonces nataka ndio aboko bameze kwa kutunda wapa when you compare actually personally I never thought it but this are really in a context that I thought it was something na that but what is atendo kwa magenda
right
so
yes
Perkuli siasa ya mchaya ya rengi okorete mugisiamo kiri chama yo mugisi and which is considered as an engineer chama.
Yes.
This chama to kwa na wana rumo bitiari. Ya Waikuyu.
Okay.
Na Waikuyu mpatumeke ato kumele yamo. Bato tukute. Yanga to ni yasi kemaini ya rana rano. Wapa presidenti kumokusi. Kinga kipindi cho sole biro mbali ikaka Waikuyu basi ari interest mwana kwa. Ndio kwa president.
Right, asante sana ebyo ni birengereri byago nonye ntwale gukoigubya network yawe yale kubutoka kulende twakoigule asante sana sengencho ye birengereri byago anda kesi miyo mwelio ekeronkwirana asaba ishimiwa Getembe TV Getembe right oyo charukire okoranga esimi yae nigo yaberige kubutoka igo mwanchumu rigereria ninjikogendera kubwata chisimi chago ekero togendrete n'engambo ya Getembe eyemo aseyemo mwishimi watandi
Yes.
Ekero tokurigereria the Matiang'i factor abantu abange batebire is the son of the soil umwana witu kuruliro bali agusi but yet ntobwate some leaders anene korugusi batari kumu support. Why do you think abaraya batari go support our son of the soil as it said?
Thank you. I be very honest about this thing.
Sure.
Into some elders kurugusi to expected na ubale ko batanga ni gocha kubeka bagusiyamo kubatenga umugusi togende njireye batisiyo mwana uyo minto. But unfortunately, enchira bali reretie ekero kwanyo already candidate nonyangure constituency kusabora na tubwate Matiang'i abantu mbali bako benefit turuige ntubunekyo batumeka baguchibese elinde gotema udestabilize gosekoleto mubwanyiko so benefit sinchiro.
Yes.
Yale koba musika Matiang'i tali presidential candidate bonoiga. I think utanga turoche binte bingao. Lakini singi jale presidential candidate abantu mbali bakoba marked. Bago tumekanga gendo teme go divide abantu aba babamo. And that is the game of politics.
Okay.
But I want to say this. It is wrong elders be community ekero bago fail go chama mune community na kure direction. It is wrong and history will charge them harshly because even to talk today we are referring even to mugakanya chale gokora.
Yes.
In the future will be referring even to biale happen during the Matiang'i ekera rekori yekerogeke. Igo elders ya baito. I'm not qualified to advise but I want to tell them it is wrong wisaransa na gotema kurigirira ngamo kubwatesia umwana minto Matiang'i na gotema gutumeka kumurwania. Let me tell you something. Kento ngiri kere sweet politically nekero gutumeka kurwania umuntu ekero kwa iruchi bese ngagendo urwania umuntu nabo gosangi gukwana n'ebintu bitayo. But the people can clearly say umuntu yakodereki ikatumire. Let me give you an example of your Mheshimiwa Osoro. Mheshimiwa Osoro gagotebanga asinkuragera korwa na Ruth. Mo kontebia njikuri yegento mtalishuanga nkero. It's justified. Korabo. But one question yabwe ndakwebuli nei. If it comes a time nerara te kuri yekero geke, jauti gotebia bushi. If it will come a time. Because in history, it forever remaining even a bit to kwana.
Yes.
Number 2, talking era back na gokwana baba timu ya bapoko. Nga na ngombe bago kama. Kwenye kama baba kesiro liyeire. Mbale bagenda go kama ngombe lisiro liye kuyere ko muse ngapo kuira na bara. Tubwati urububere. Kuira na bare moina ata batanga tu igotire. Singe tu igotire teatora tura boro kurumoina tubwati cio mwana uyo. Abantu mbarali tuganyete towards Maite nkumira na tuli n'abantu. We meet. Abantu mbali barali muino baganyite ngati atura ikariri chikura kire. tugenda kuchimuina but igento natete clarify neki we are not kubwati simatiangi asengenjaro mugusi eto kubwati matiangi asengenye matiangi track record ya that is why abantu bachite kumulinga mugakori inchuga iga orore goseno wakirisho mugusi nigente kimuntu cyagete no museneto nyonga agasuma akamusuma paka matiangi agatiga asielia well paying job akaratiga chichega and I don't believe nga matiangi gutigalengi gasumnelia wakanubuya achichega iga wocha kokole bintu byacheche is a serious man will determine the kuriye kiro nchege ntonale ko sababu kusiba minto nabagakaba elders yabagwakwana before it is too late kindly they were concede kuirana kobeko mugusiyamo abagakambale to kuri tutahete baru a direction aso mugusi lakini ngento tali kwa agree no inja tandi ntanje muntu tabaito tatenga mugusi nturaisana ngatogo isara nsemesa twisanire imyaka yishirine tuabeira so odiam to wakira mugara chikura please yisanire now we have montoito umwana ito matiangi na yati atomosugu agenda gotuwakirisha
right
ego ngendrete kuralia umugusi gucha no mwana umita poko no nyoko na gokana gata wakira matiangi kuna kumweba limbe ngapoko apoko finally to koma na mami na kiburabe na moinaria egento kero kinde pya maenepi mwana umita poko egento kero kina maenepi bantu bali mbago takwa ugento mbago takapyo wegento egasi kwa kolete no mwe musieru urane gasingi wiso ko nda assembly egasi kwa gukora nengi tenene kerogo iye kerogo musika poko na nduira ne gachubiri na yura sikwe na ne chikule china bokoyo
right Mheshimiwa Poko can we say Ngaboniga regional unity is dead politically aseng enchunga we have leaders who does not support our son of the soil as it said
no I from where I see it nikotebanga aba mubumo gusinga gwakure
okay
again to go kanara kotebanga is only the political divide so montata kirabere ati gwabero nana banara ko ni mwana mindunga ki bamura bali na batandaka ija yeso tanganga because gari yesa ngangete omate tianga tabi o maene mboje boroke we kirba ke president era maninga bantu gete mbago ko yur kampo tuas nari geriga akena wante I've been told na konya na no musiasi kurugo gamba nganko ngale gasi nari geriga ega set notes ya sokira na rolio mwana musini neraba o chairman wa national kunende Kisii National Polytechnic. I'm shocked. Kisii National Polytechnic is a big institution. I'm not saying mwana ulia osoma na some. But institution iri tegeto mondo omanene. Uraro liro bokima. Urakole managerial skills. Ni yeito ntutu agambire abantu barori. But I'm shocked. Nane kene na rolio gotebanga nabo barabanga. Onye no gambo na ragotetea. Onko matetea anitari koror. But ni nyasaye no. Takura tiganje ndara kira rendigo. Ndara kira kinaka. Ya kabere. Kwa na mono kwa roba. Obo mo gwitu mo kusi. Besides nga avanza mo basi ngantura support matiangi. Tutakire to bamo. Kero to averamo. No ene rebe toko ene uchi abande to support William Ruto. Tutaje ko bamo egere tomoro no gamba kwen ari ngaine ga nonyo origa. Bosia simbogocha. Next time monye Ruto ko ire jikura.
ngale kuranji
Onye kuranjiri kurusi.
yes
And I want to speak now openly and boldly. Ugamba na jikura ire ngara rusi ikuruma so. Ikuruma bori ya gotebanga echinjije serutu. Igo as much as ekara segura ata so kanga ekeru keria igo kerache to him again. Ekara go ikaransa agote akoragira rutunga rwachikura cha ruri Kisii County. H.
Ugetutu
Ugetutu H class secretary.
yes
And I've sat with that CS. I've told him, my brother, beka structure siao. As much as you urugura, te beka bantu bogetutu, beka bantu bonjali, beka bantu. Bari team yao. Bone gento kero kegene naba abapunge bari barange ne. Nabano mwana yawa nsairi umuru. Umwana yawa nyuma maite. Nande you see dimaiti abantu abaitu ba Kenya kwanza usinkorengera bure. No gamba tigamuruka dimaiti sinkorengera ya. Umwana we gari kire Murang'a University. Ya administrator ya Murang'a University. Nani ngakibaka mwa chairman bwa Kisii National Polytechnic. You see abantu baikire sika ano batari korengera ngakibara akonye omo president William Ruto. Ayoro cha abantu bane mbaje. Aya, how many supporters saidi ya bwate? There are so many. Bale korete bariska abakaka banda banene abamurabanda banene batabwati gas. Orine gas konya. Usine gas ya. Nando moire yende. Let us see, and that's why we are saying a change in Nyariba Church is inevitable. We need you Montoriso to analyze nando bwate gento tokoro ekana abo mo MCA ekaro County Government Act Article 12 first section 1A igego tabanga region of balance kero kuruchigas kero kolemme mungwe then omwana onyasa ka makonya kaba aliye tanga bono sairi ari kuri umuntu onde nero utari gasi akoreke amwe wa chairman we National Polytechnic ugambe ari takora certain era tari kubura aburi biyangaki imoyo ye kwandetere sairi we abwate kende ugamba no muwakiri osomete tari muntu utasomete na kiwate beranga policies. The cabinet secretary is a policy maker. Unless you understand how you do that policy, you can do nothing. He doesn't understand. He doesn't understand. I want to explain to our people to get it. He doesn't even understand the policy making. This one being, tanganara aburia amanye. Ono we can service. He cannot know.
Yes.
You cannot speak. Follow up with whatever. Yes. Ne kimono kerokyo. Ekekero kana kia moitire wikari kura aburi ngaki kwandete abachumbe bari cheko makonya abachumba aba banene ayonda tabiri nganko ganda bari ka bari cheko makonya oyo mo eriete rigwe katari gocha tari ko irabo chumbe bwa nyari bajaji komo tomatoreka yes na ke kora marika ga tebaga ngajire nso 1 minute intigera atati abantu banyari bajaji montegere kana ngosoma marika ase gatabu gyo koiranira kore na 12 ebungo 14 na 15 yego teba ekero murabe mwaikire aso mokomenya ense yo manene Nyasaye ino agochikuba erabe yenyu ande muganie omuruoti urabagambere bune bisakubiria bibaye tainaine bibwata abaruoti babo bakubagambira 14 15 yamagoteba elio mobeko muruoti oyo omonene Nyasaye ino arabachorere mobeko monto wabantu bamino abe omuruoti gorase more korendo monto tari wegesa kukyaino timo mobekabe omuruoti ino ano abanyari bari mwasirete. Right. Nabona ari gusaba buyanga onye nditwa bwato monto itwegesaku tanga namanya buyanga ekera ko gamba elieta die National Polytechnic ningo noyo nabwate gas because monto tago twara chigasi bere ogamba moshonde gaiga gabe getete na kangwana edi na kangwana negare e council member ya kabiyanga nanda kamobo council member bwanyeri National Polytechnic ogamba asore yesora okonya ne kene nara goteba kyo mwerio nkeringa intu abatore seruto ntomugwate si ruto as a person totari korigere ngambara ibaro no mwana yotebirenga usiera nkobera nebam
thank you
wicheba omorengo abantu barakoreke baragende lakini usiero wegete garekoba
right
mwana minto tigankwane gentekemo na ndeke genda bogetutu seito umusike migosi ugamba kararengera animate ya machogu bakuri ubugabana igaete machogu 200 votes ya mbili korwe constituency ngima reason taligo chaka taligo blend well na abantu but Nyasaye kamokonya ekero machogu wagu was yes akatomu kenjen Keranda kenjen abantu basitu bakumuliki asimitale kubwata Nyasaye kamukonya babo chanda aba ekero chensi yale tamangana bagateba macho waseligu migosi akanyole gentu kero migosi anyole gentu tukamuadvise nga migosi iranaka korom coming otebya bagetutu nga Nyasaye bwanchire twanyolire kerogo akanga pi no nyansobe kanisa yasoba enda akire Nyasaye nga nsabire na nyolire gentu akanga e problem tubwate into bunabagetutu ekerogo tubwate kubo minister onyole ntuguge tumia buya kugitoliko chayo a problem ero migosi gabwate idiots in the name of advisors idiots yani bali bakubulinga lero ngitoko mwina tonyole gintu tuchikoragira. Now let me ask you ekintekena nako nakubulia umwana mintapoko edi nakangwana ibirugumbi birabwate abantu mbali kurwalise itu bako mubwate bahiru ibirugo bibiri onyanya rangi na ireke mu Kenya Polytechnic kindi gosibye bikombo bisiyaye yani ayekerole CS tuli CS yabogitutu chache not tuli CS yabogusiyos egole CS ye country ngima but the question neye say no gusi ingi wakoliro kuika ogende beyond information yokoewo bisialia as an individual ogende siko authenticating information inaegwa nirebuya that is wako make mistake yokulika abantu babere otiga abantu sikaba tabwati emiremo nebintu bunebyo there is no way mwana minto nata kontegerere mwana minta poko there is no way umusike migosi ara achibuge tutu aligelie musike Ruto even 100 votes emikutana ko bayakere president yego he writes on MPs bali bakwa na shi program hicho utene no kwana utama Nairobi. That is why I've told you unless yaje kuruseina onyole Ruto chikwa the rest of these characters kura teje babo chikwa Ruto. I'm telling you na Nyasaye urigo enchira nera ko bange bintu twakira ntoko na kongora abantu ntoko na kora twakira Nyasaye ubaturubane batantana mune batantanire basaliro moyo buyo basaliro moyo bumuntu dole sikalia ekera basaliro myoe ababaira na bateba nk'abantu abonse
right
Nyasaye bangebi
right asante sana
ena asireke bunge kyaso
ekera toguskanse gwateba nkurigyo kerogo kyo bunge tutu chacha no nekera tokurigereria we can see visible developments umishimiwa Chafeth abereka gukora.
Yes.
What will make you so different?
Thank you. Ngendo ko make different like my track record ego na jadu kuri yobo bunge bintu na akorete abana inchimba manyete. Number 2 ego tutagete leadership buge tutu wa accommodate all clans.
Yes.
Chinyomba chonsi chiro tutagete leadership ego focus yenye nyombe ya moikuruma.
Yes.
No kuruwe birogo kirekergo no ge kogenda. Number 3 the kind of development yechi parego korwororo. I want to give you an example to girls. Ekero musike macho walengo mosies education gaba etan 10 million.
Yes.
Mochumbe na raka 10 million chibeke war. Lakini isa kogende skuru hiyo 20 million there is nothing carrying a 20 million chibekiro is less than that.
Yes.
Igogo tumia development kuibira abantu because yakaro kwara wasirie para no yero substandard just because you get a time people will clap for you nga kwara wasirie para but in the real sense warusiri chiwesa chinyingoro we have audited reports chibinto bunebi bigenda taboge tutu north we know who are the contractors. Let me tell you mwana minto omweshimiwa Jimmy Angwenyi ekaralengo mubunge ebintu ebikorosi kuchisukuru classes nebintu binde Jimmy Angwenyi gare kuligiria community wano youth sibaro mutebi yagendo rosi class kali yagendo kolegento gete na yego konye you move forward with life. That is not happening today. kere gintu nyakundi ogokora onyotari ero ogokora ngino ogokora onyotari ngino ogokora ne kasi ni yaye. Those are the things we want to go kana bogetutu ndoko genderere nchireye to discriminate other clans to take enyombe yemitwale everything. We will not allow it. And that's the reason why ngoja out openly gotebanga please tigato choro murai ora treat all clans equally. Aba opportunities equally. Because as much as nda atake kuiba mbeta chiri and your neighbor tabu atikende tomorrow will come for you.
Sure.
So you need corona kyoko beka bantama. That is the reason why one nagotebia my track record ina akorete binte bingi. Ni someti abana bona ngaganete school fees abande mwana na nyakora bali bantegerete nyakoro lenge ntakana na someti ukagakole college ubale. Abana bali naga school fees bali kurwe kwerende. Engo to secondary na Ruth computer chipara na limit. There are things na collect from my pocket. Those are the things biko garaba na njibate nga tandio tomoe na iseko ku parents ibinto kwa abantu bonsi. So umusike jimi yangwenyi na kinate kana lenge fair in administration yae. Njira aliko bagebi oyeru ire na ande what is funny abagetu to montegerera. What is funny ebago chiba umerana bagamba injatandi I invest in political intelligence. Ngo tomando monto paka uchafete nyomba moete filing agendo sabembere patia ko gata information tagete ugata information yo abantu bakurya ikikoro mno mwishimi wasanyu abantu mbale nkobe kirori yaime bata na igunga inki bagukwana. If you are a good leader and you have good vision and good we have no problem. But even to talk manyogo kwana because in the kwana behind the scenes irina bigo chikokora. Ngiro kwana clans chinde bobe kabantabu we will fight you. We got to go an open linga ebinebi intebibe. So that is the reason why ntakatoka bumubunge bugetutu chache not inche narrative ya clanism go feve nyombe ya mone bintu binande monyerero tali yonsi. We have upper monyerero and lower monyerero. So upper monyerero no ebinte bigo happen and it is historical. Oise kubwatia abantu bakaroma monyerero nsa bairugura alibati kotora Chicago na kwanekera Chicago. Bakali kiru asinsa. In fact it's going up to now paka baono iga nono mono nyaminto nyarangi ngona kumukwana tabu atiboko nere nkwerwanirira okabota bogengiboke kwerwanirira bogengiboka bomujandite lakini umuntu okoraki okwerwanirira bono bali begoro bakumutumia lakini okuno kweligali so including omosike migosi please to takaba nyali bali batwange to takaba girango batwange tutaka abakenya batwange isingenjo gutumika umuntu uru West Pokot yogotebalika nyalebe umuntu uru lika nyalebe lakini ayesino tutageti kulikonde.
Right. Mheshimiwa, other than clanism ekera tokuligirira iguru ya magenderero ngintu kigiri uratebenga uise kwegulibaga kitutu Church North urachigokorera omokitutu
problem tugwate bonoiga NNP in Kitutu Church North and across the country is unemployment. We have youths abange bakorera school batabwati kigasi.
Yes.
We have youths abange bale knowledgeable batabwati kende bagakora. The first thing I'm going to do again to buneke chitenda chi serikali chibanda ko endasi youths. I'll empower them. Ama bagabuna yago che yokole kwerende I will go make sure ngabanyolire without discriminating. Right? Ebintu mune bya developmenting ebintu bine byoko beka chipara. Onyo na limite para ni chibese chiane. What about take a budget yoko kolegasi? Madam. I'll work.
Right. Mheshimiwa Apoko. Ngwate banga tutaite goteba kirugo kulia sama.
Na ateba bia because ekarongoliria scenario nyari bare chaje. Bwade chi policy ngia sana. Numugambi atandi ateba. Nyara ko banga nincho mochumbe. You know, mochumbe do side janda spoke very well. Nada alikuwa na mangana masini. Abanyari bale bakamuwa kamwa. Nanda ya goteba Engambo 9. Tarikamba 8. And he was using the example of the former member of parliament Tongi nga bwato bonyomba. But I can tell you side nero bwato bonyomba bobe. na kama ninje ndo mochumbe bona ya. Let me start with unemployment.
Okay.
It can happen here konyo rara mabanga kwara ko raga bajumbe ba aitu ba Kenya kwa sabate na burunga nje naira mabaga 100 nairuki. But himself he has never said that. Like other members of parliament yo na bandi. Era monyene tanya kote atotebi nairu ose then ya bari narura asikete na ndonyo wetwe egenda renge gare korwa. Number 1 asaba fuas bae usebande and that is na bwata aga clone kabantu bayo simpatatu na manyiri na bako mu direct at least babere I think babere bako mu direct onya kendi kya jaji muna bono for example.
Yes.
Basigari bari kwa I saw almost also let me use that one as an example. Basigari operations ba pass out ya ba in February ya in Jan something like that bwango iga even you so Osora pass out ya Kenya prisons. Ruiru. Fortunately now no mo kana ko transfer ko chia no ara Kenya police ya kai wo mamura kai ya traffic. Osora se pass out. Ase pass out ya basigari 24. Pass out mugra. So na ndata ngita yo na mutumya an example. Why ri ntunya ri bari chache tutamanyiti na tutataruchi. No mwana yomo mo chumberenda twego keringa nere and again to kende the worst part of it ne ria got is very close to the president. Go cover to the close person to the president no soro ma go to the bianga ki olnero ko baga keki yake ya Kenya. Ono soro na konta kitaka tanga ki ako baga kaki ya Kenya rembu yako nyetumia asoko je bagiru ere uyo nga yago toka. Secondly, infrastructure jibara sairi gago soa abanyari bari bangiro mu cyumba orengo ko rutongi tongo nyorobe kire epara yeramu koru liariga nyaguta kegati nyabisabo nyaturubo kirikiro na birongo. Omuntu mungaini yare ko genda ime nande fortunate enough no hare committee ya roads and infrastructure arorenga yipari ya yete inkigireke itagenderete anyegendereri tangas we speak epara ya kolete ya reteka akamagotiga timaitu sega kaneti timaiti are timaiti gigabet abachaina bari bakaru se site si arenge bakanganya bakagenda pari gatiru pakabona na kolete moisonde kare president yajete president ndai kunye prem iga ba mo force tingegera tangase nye para na kolete ekero kurigire pa ukirikibwate sign post igeo te burungi pari eri atongi akorete arweteri. It's not a new law. Ne ege ba ukina gegote yegote na ariko ninjo mochumbe as much as my brother ne rago ito mochumbe oye he has tried esa jita kanyoji para jiri konyora chimi yangu nya wekire in the program na chichiga chia yara kitutu chache north right erenga none yemo na ndekare committee ya infrastructure and roads none yemo te koretiki teju mbono ocha gotebia abantu omwaka okane na ndo omwaka okane emetinye tigarite ebere tokiro sabu tu omwaka okarenga mugatano na tonge otu amusetie because nera abegete para yeram omwaka okane uchera bano yara rose tuwa aga ko chikurwero tuwa na ino egia gatatu education na kwana na nditigangirora for the last 3 years he has been in office CDF taragacha nonye korbe indi na ru examba cyumo cyumbo koro cyose nyamoko kuro not mugrang angirete akoronchi atandio minto estole building ya financial year 2024 na 2025 ebirasi 16 ikonge primary school iga totebi nonye ne na agenda anyari bari masaba omoshimiwa mandu abegite estole building school 10 Bono uyu gago cha koronje gento garia kya mabundua egento tongia ikere tigoro gya kore tue prasta ga kunechirang ngana kya cha koronja ko ngaina banta kransi chites kigurunga ngana inje na agachire ne gento ne project ngo chagete ntong anyanju tese the same you go in terms of education na infrastructure education drara kenda akore agachire no wagacha karasia kamo as CDF ko 200 million. Tiangi cha samangana ipasari he started very well akarwe pasari ya 49 million agasuka mwaka okubwati akana 72 omwaka ogatatu 72 oyo garwete 70 something na ndama ko reduce atandio minto ore ko abana 10,000 be university college na ndama ko reduce to 8 with this economy igo totakere kwena rujiso tutakwanda ko chiguru igo gwakonyira ababyo
right
where ngaichibese jingi kiagarete chia reduce ti kocha o chance ekende ngaribaga na kwa atandi ekende otenje no muchume ngo eresera nara ko muchume nyari bajaje no yoro agene sio yoro in CDF ne bwate gende ku administration batakere kwa gajira abachibu chinyumba cyabo echobe cyabo n'abasikari nyari bajaje no nyine police post yemo saidi agaje nyari bajaje no nyine obisi yo muchibu nonemo yanda kitutu masaba give you an example orale chobisi yesaira agache abachibu bakitutu masaba yani ogwisane kanga maene nona abachibu barote bakogoka ngaki amaene muchumba na ndu natokora natuchari yani there is nothing ngaichibese chiuchi to wane no electricity ekaba Ruta karonchia electricity akerajita 2023 asakoro kunyangini umongununde to nona are tingo te batuta munta mai tigen kero aserutanye tigerete no yakorete igaskio mochu ekere president ya ronjeti usigare kubwatia emurero yochire kero munanchi abwe sakora aronje nande naroche gaiga patagete umuchumbe yani president nande ronje timeti what happened ya ronje digo bottom line ni ringa ki what abanyari bari be expected no muchumburia na kie kibatarara kurwa sakorete asare lakingo teberanga chipolisi na bwate na tagete go change nare tanga no ne pound atari kumanya yakobe ko bochibu bosaigo atari kumanya ngo mochibu yo ngajarwete ngayesa brokesh ni cha ire ngachire no mobori nabone go mobori swat gangirora chisa brokesh ni ire ngachire nyarwa taji no tell you chirokesh ni ngachire nyarwa no tell you division ni ire ngachire nyarwa taji no tell you I've given you ngaki okobe ko bogambi oriende territory y'abantu bawo abantu bota confidence nganto kore turendi bono otubwate bitina n'abantu bakitutu charge south because of the boundaries asogo tatene burung nabone getu kiaring market nkoi wetega kerto ko kwana ga no mwana ondega ngango genda kiaring Kisii center na kwa rese school ya chogo all along inkitutu charge egenda ta konyerosi later on use bako tabata ngakitura abeke twarosi base ya CDF charosi school lakini ego ina political boundaries twanyolege tuwe Kenya riba riga correct yeah it's not possible gakagendara and it could be possible erta agurane because bono rorio osamarikata babujanga ki beka abantu ba mino asoboga abantu baramanya ngaye ibintu byabo byakoreta byaringa oyo bono otere abantu bamwabo naba barensa bakoni tirumu mbabwaje boundary ese bakorenda
right asante
cyo moelyo ngajire ntebe because of those policies na rigeri cyane kibuyekaine bono nanjire nga tigatokore na choyo kengo nyambane because chipolisi yabati ne cyane kibuyekaine nane ngo rustore signing ko motomatoreka
right
komenda nayo banyali bali nabantu abangaini kurukale muntu gotebanga nindange ne seke kiko bagwa nabona nili wono nonya kale seke kiko
that is it
chora abantu abangaini
that is it
Mheshimiwa Watandi ndochenga ebironigo bya Kirikigima
yes
time has really gone ndeteko kwa 50 seconds
yes
less than a minute
yes
ukwanire omunyali bali ani ukwanire kitutu uchache omotebye igoro yiganga yagona boko musabekura nande omwe one guaranteed promise
biyamono
aiseko kwalibaga
biyamono
50 seconds
bantu baitu baboge tutu mumanyete gasi na akorete karuna cyagete campaign yani yo gutaka kuriya ikirugo kyo bubunge mumayete ma track record mumayete ngera nkurwanira abantu baitu kuna ariko basaba nka 2027 bonge kura buno mubungo ino turwe kyama kyo musike matiangi ekyo gya Jubilee ego nare kubasaba nka once mwangeire kirugo ke buno mubungo ino oikanji ko ba fair ndari discriminate yonde mbage bintu mno monyole mwensi na policy chire friendly including youths monyore bintu byaino mubwenete konyora development momaite bintu nakorete I will extend to that inkore monekera ninji konyora chibese cyogokora amagenderero finally ndaite ko bashwaiga umusike Matiang'i ne presidential candidate na ndengo cyale gotoke parot ne presidential candidate tigatomo bwate si kurugusiga iga na into mugusito nyore siko nebisa kubinde.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Poko. Your last word as.
Na nje naona ala goteba nga onye nyasao ko nganjira ntoke parot. Ngonta ite goteba nga enjere nyasa konyete wisdom and knowledge gakorega asiese word ya kigoro because bono nje nimbwate gento ngotebia bantu ntaracha. Ange tati wisdom.
Yes.
Nkonya abanyali bali. Patonye tinkonyora libagerio because narore dynamics chia politics ya nyali bali chache. Na aligere round na umiro mu murondo ko rubuchwari okengo nyamba no bwate chi police tinge cyane. Iwon ko mu bwate to last minute to change nyali bali asinyali bali etakere koba esuke to the next level abantu batusike na baba atandi batusike karenga ekero so munyali bali atangaine igo gusiyimbi yakorete tinga bon we are not in the map nyali bali chaje asikire na bono nyachabo okay otegara kuminga abantaba nabo mwakorete nyachane rende torochine na bete kingpin ya usi the same way abata itatabanga kingpin ya usi bono no musike Matiang'i which I don't want to object because injino monto makesi Matiang'i ngendo yuka mubwete njina achori ere mbona wichikuri lakini masikani yani korete nyimoete nare gukorera buntabenga ki intunya libali chacha abantu bani tubindanya libali chacha na abasoro iri aseri etara ya Yesu onye nto okore change igongo tinde katolinya libali to bwate si apoko no kengo gujumutwe to change nyalibali to the next level kyo mwali nara goteba nkeringa as much as intagete go pa ideas chumwano minta atandi atebiri inche asa passion yokoro kwa poko na bande babwate birengera libinge byane tindaranchirinde nkoba convinced nga opposition ngo bwere William Ruto ese channel election ngo cha 2027 nje nonte nene tabu ne birengera libya no birabunga Ruto is a two-term president aba kushibere ba mintu mara atake ndamo to tumbabo egere chikura chikoera to endese Ruto tomato ngantuntu akwa chikura wana tubagire gento gitu gocha na ndato abantu bale moyo bamanyitege sako tabaza ko to abantu bande baikara stobisi bandi batamanyitinga ngai nyari bari chache yabeta ngai bonchari yabeta ngai sautu mugirango yabeta bo machonga yabeta na bo basi omuntu understand it ngai usiyebetete na Nyamira nero eyinero nargo saba jenando no onte ni nabuti ndachenje lakini bottom line gego tebanga kirebuya kera bantamo metamo baigwana ine siasi toko chiko mutwe echikorokana ngachirabe chimbe ekero tutamurangiri Nyasaye to konye gekora twensi tuachire bogeka twale miru no banirwa Nyasaye toba amo regardless nga nturigo soanana kisiasa lakini ntuna abana bam.
Asante sana ambiamu sana mheshimiwa kurende mwanchumu ligirire ni gukungabira na rorire kisimi cyago kinyingi sana kurende asenge nchugo ko incorporate ni ndigirire SMS chibere we characterize people by their actions and we will never be fooled by their words. Don't trust words, trust actions. So Matiang'i tosha, actions are priceless. Oyo no mwanchumu ligirire tebirigo kurende tatebetina ki akorokwa Vincent Chwe yakuru Kiumbu agotebanga nataka kuambia mheshimiwa Poko akae kujua yeye ni Mkisii na si vizuri kupinga ndugu yako. What I'm sure Matiang'i will win. Right. I'm Justin, I'm also a aspiring MCA Samaru Ward. Agotebanga we need leaders, not a politician, and we are a one term in a presidential candidate, but they will err. Alright, ebyo nebirengera byayo otebirenga asichikura kirabusyo niko barachikomu Matiang'i okoboko. Asante sana. All those development come to pin down Matiang'i, but tuko pamoja na yeye. Asante sana ebyo negatie birengere bibiri bya bantu abarigereria nabo igo nesimi chao kwabere kugwaka sengencho ebiro okongabera ninchembogorie eikiende elio togendere gusanga mange bya muno sana mheshimiwa Watandi because you found some waikaga Getembe gusanga na intwe mheshimiwa wapo kombia muno sana asengencho waika gusanga na intwe ina Getembe TV na ndento bareganie ngakiende kero turanyore chingaki elio togendere gusanga mange bya muno mwanchu murigereria asengencho na kwanyore chingaki cyo wanja kurigereria Getembe TV na gusanga na intwe yemo ase Engambo ya Getembe litikulia lero nigo tobwateranire na timu engima DJ Atsan kwene kiriyo ne chibicha bya goikeire Wilfred Matundra kurugalia sensemo echi kamera na inchina bwate Engambo ya Getembe nigo nkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto na kuko niro twaruburigerera burubya na bigo ubutuko burubya wikana ndekero turamerane enga kiende.